Good day, leaders around the world. I'm Bolaji Oyekon, privileged to be Oyekon Foundation president. I want to point a few things on what it takes to help the needy. First and foremost, we in Oyekon Foundation, we are not helping the needy or the poor in Nigeria and Africa because we have in abundance or because we have plenty of money to spare. We are helping them because of some principles that we did our research. However, if you do not rise to the occasion in diaspora, that means we in the UK, in the US, Canada, all over the world, that we are outside Nigeria and we are privileged to be Africa and Nigeria. If you do not help them, these are the potential danger you are going to cause in the nearest future. That's if they have not started. Now, number one, it will increase the crime rate. When unemployment sets in and poverty takes charge, the needy becomes helpless and they find a way to survive in a society like ours. And whenever thing they see, most times used to be the negative. And this is what we call all of these social vices you see around are classified under one word, increasing in crime rate. So if you don't rise to the occasion to help the needy, to put smiles on the face of the needy, just like we are doing in the Oyekon Foundation, these are the potential dangers. Number two, it's widening the wealth inequality. I would like to buttress this point because it might look a little bit here and there, maybe not significant, but it is significant when it has to do with the poor and the needy in Nigeria and in Africa. When the gap between the rich and the poor, the more wider it becomes, the more delicate, the more dangerous it is for the economy of the whole of that nation. As you can see, some of the African countries have collapsed in terms of their economy because the gap, the matching between the poor and the rich is so wide. It's so wide, gigantically wide, if there's any word like that. Pardon me, my English followers around the world. But the bottom line is that in advanced country like we are privileged to be in the UK, you will discover that the social amenities, the basic necessities are covered for all and sundry. That means the gap between the poor and the rich is not as wide as that. But if you take a look at Nigeria as a case study, the most populated black country in Africa, if you take a look, the gap is so wide, and these are the potential damage that can happen to any economy of any society. When the gap is wide, the poor are forced to think that maybe they are using their stars. Those that are up there, they are using their stars. Those that are up there are just wealthy by chance and all of that. But in as much as we can, giving to the needy, making relevant step, building small businesses, giving to the needy one way or the other in cash and in kind, just like we Oyekon Foundation are doing from diaspora, is so germane that everybody, all and sundry, home and abroad, please, I want to beg you sincerely, your £1, your $1 is not a waste. Just try and help the needy in our less privileged country, Nigeria and Africa, and God will bless you. To get similar content of such from Oyekon Foundation, just like, share, and comment. Leave a comment on how we can be together, on how we can collaborate our resources together to take Nigeria out of this economic holocaust and quagmire. Once again, I remain your humble self, Bolaji Oyekon, privileged to be Oyekon Foundation. The next time you're going to be reaching me is different potential reasons why not helping the poor could put a country and a continent like ours in a massive danger in future. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Cheers.